we mentioned, we're talking about the proportion. Yeah. The larger scale require higher precision and accuracy. That means smaller error. Okay? But we have another concept about the accuracy. The concept of accuracy and precision are different. 我们会底下讲嘛，这边底下会讲。Here is precision, another one is the accuracy. Right now we just tell you the higher, the larger scale should have a higher precision, but could be the same accuracy because the concept of accuracy and the precision are different. So always ask the higher precision, but could be the same accuracy. I will explain the accuracy in the precision. 所以实务上我们都提到 2011 topographic map. That means could be this map digitized from the paper map. So this map is digitized from the 1000 map, paper map. So in this meaning, the accuracy and the precision of the original map could be decreased because you have added one more error term from the digitization. Yeah. Because the paper map has already have their own error terms, and you digitize from it, so you have more error. Yeah. But when you talking about the digitized, the digital map is produced from the very beginning, from the surveying, use the advanced technology to digitize it. Then it means you follow the requirement of the 1 to the 1000 surveying. The accuracy and the precision they ask to make the map. There are two meanings. So when you're talking about the 1 to the 1000 or the digital map, you have to make sure if it is digitized from the paper map or make it from the very beginning. Is the digitization process.
Digital equipment.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, digital equipment. Okay, there are two concepts. One is precision, 精度，另外一个是正确度 accuracy. I found many people confused or do not distinguish these two concepts. 这是两个不同的概念。好，精度跟正确度是两个不同的 concept. The precision is the error the allowed error, or the precision means it always have some measurement tool. We depends on the measurement, the tool, the rule. That means if you have a rule, that's on it, right? It's the scale on it. So the distance between the two lines, that's the precision. That means you can measure it. The minimum distance you can measure it is. You can use this kind of tool to measure it. It's the precision. Yeah. So higher precision will have a smaller error, right? So in the paper map, could be we allow the error could be between 0.2 millimeter to the 0.5, because depends on your pencil. Depends on you what kind of a pen you use. Okay, so and the 0.2 millimeter is the minimum distance the human eye can distinguish. 就是说人的肉眼啊，有两个点，如果是它的距离小于0.2 millimeter， 你分不出来，你会觉得两个点是一个点。所以那个0.2就是一般人肉眼可以分得出来最小距离。0.5其实一眼你就看出来它是不同两个点。However, the concept of this distance is in the vector-based GIS， 就是说向量哈，你画出来那条线是点线面，好，点线面，那个精度指的是这两个点之间的距离。So when we are talking about the minimum distance, actually that's in the vector-based map. But how about the raster map? That the size of the pixel is the precision. Because a pixel will be corresponding to the particular area on the ground. Okay, so the pixel is larger, then the area will be larger. So just like a resolution, high resolution and the high resolution, the low resolution. For a given area, if you have a high resolution, that means the size of pixel is smaller. 对不对？对一个特定的地区啊，同样的地区，你说 high resolution， 那比如说每一个点一个 pixel 这个像就像我们那个电脑上面。好，我们电脑是看1024乘多少，就是你相同的这个萤幕大小，啊，它是1024或者486或者多少，对不对？啊，它的 pixel 越多 ，the number of pixel is larger, then the size of each pixel is smaller. Then the picture it will be more high resolution, is pretty, yeah, right? 所以会更清楚，你那个就会看。所以 resolution 指的就是这样哈。所以一个 pixel 所代表的地面范围，那有时候我们称它叫做 resolution， 有时候中文称它叫解析度、解像力。啊 ，that means that each pixel, how big the area corresponds to every pixel， 啊，那个叫解像力。这经常用在 remote sensing。 啊，用这种字眼，就是你出来的照片就是这样。So in the case of the DTM, 40 meters by 40 meters is a resolution. Also, is a precision. That means each point represents an area 40 meter by 40 meter. 啊，如果是5公尺乘5公尺，那就是它的解析度就更好，所以它的 precision 就更高。 就是一个点代表5公尺乘5公尺 ，5 meters by 5 meters higher resolution or higher precision。所以 precision 是越小越好的，那个数字是越小越好。The smaller the number of precision, the precision is higher, it's better. However, the concept of accuracy is totally different. It's another way. That means for sampling. How many percentage of the sample meet the requirement or within the allowable error? 好，也就是说，我们数画100个点。For example, we have 100 points. We digitize 100 points on the map, and we check every point, the errors, and for example, we only allowed 5 meters. We allow 5 meters for the as an error. Then, if the point 1, the error is 2 meters, then it's okay. Pointer 2,